Perfect.
Yeah. Good. Okay. Yes, I'm Sanna Tuomela from the University of Oulu, coordinator of 6G-VERSUS project coming from words 6G vertical trials for sustainability. And as Kiera already presented, this is a 3-year project started on January. Our budget is about 14.5 million euros, of which SNS funds about 12.1 million euros. The technical manager is Xenophon Vasilakos from ICCS Greece, and we have 34 partners, and the total effort is 1,800 PMs. Our 34 partners are from 10 countries. There are 13 academic or research organizations, 10 industrial partners.
Apologies to stop you. Maybe you can put in presentation mode. We can see your next slide. For readability, since you have so many useful information, which becomes a bit less readable if you're not in presentation full screen.
Okay. Yeah, I was trying to see my notes, but I didn't realize it.
Yeah, it might be difficult. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Yes, and we aim in 6G-VERSUS. We aim to, oh, sorry, I was in the middle of this. Yeah. Yes, we have these 34 partners and from 10 countries, and there are, I have to take my notes, 10 industrial partners, 13 research organizations, 9 SMEs, and 2 NGOs. And the project aims to bridge technological innovation with strategic experimentation to achieve tangible sustainability outcomes, and to present a novel technology, methodology, and architecture that transforms existing use cases into 6G applications, optimizes data and control planes of 6G systems, and facilitates seamless information flow and decision-making process. And then we leverage advanced 6G research platforms, already existing ones across Europe, and conduct large-scale trials and pilots to explore sustainable solutions in 5 environmentally conscious vertical industries. And we do that in 3 overlapping phases. First, transforming the currently existing vertical use cases and services into 6G applications. Then testing and validating the 6G applications of each of these use cases at 6 experimentation platforms that are enhanced with energy efficiency tools and components. And then finally assessing sustainable impact of each 6G application on the environment, the society, the economy, and the industry, and the European market. We have 5 high-level objectives. First, to design and develop a 6G-enabled application framework for the triplet of vertical applications, AI applications, and network applications. Then to conduct 6G trials to assess this AI network and application performance, concentrating on the principles of sustainable 6G. We will integrate advanced 6G applications across 6 SNS and non-SNS testbeds. 5 of these are already developed in other SNS projects, such as 6G Sandbox, 6G Bricks, and 6G XR. Then we will evaluate the societal and environmental impacts of these trials to ensure alignment with sustainability goals and societal needs and create new business models. And finally, all the time we will maximize the impact and adoption of our results through dissemination, communication, capacity building, standardization efforts, and exploitation measures. And sustainability is a cross-cutting principle for all our tasks and results and reaching these objects. We have 6 pilot clusters. In Finland and Bulgaria, the trials are for renewable energy systems. In Finland, we will build an energy self-sustainable 5G base station. In Bulgaria, there's an AI-driven optimization of distributed renewable energy. In France, for water management vertical, we will have a data-driven strategy trial for water and waste management in critical infrastructures. And in Portugal, we will have a sustainable and safe port infrastructure pilot for environmental monitoring and safety. In Spain, our trial is immersive telepresence actuator for field operations, and that is for smart agriculture. And in Greece, we have collaborative robotics for search and rescue, and that is about life-saving environmental preservation. And this is our architecture model that aims to we will develop in our project. And there is a triplet of vertical AI and network applications. And the novelty of this trial lies in the transformation of a typical use case into 6G application, with the triplet of distributed but fully integrating software components that together realize an AI-assisted vertical service. And as you can see there on the bottom, there are the test beds, 6 of them in the end. And then there is the network layer, and there is AI layer, and then the vertical layer. And the vertical layer with VEPs is tailored to each pilot's domain-specific requirements, ensuring that the unique challenges of each use case are met with precision and efficiency. It serves as the user-facing layer, providing intuitive interfaces and real-time data insights for enhanced decision-making. And the AI layer and AI apps represent the zenith of the trials. Just a second. And the intelligence layer. The AI app converges the machine learning algorithms and data analytics to process vast streams of information, transforming raw data into actionable knowledge. And this AI-driven core is pivotal in achieving context awareness, enabling the 6G systems to make informed decisions that optimize both service quality and energy usage. And the N-app is the conduit through which the V-app and AI app communicate, leveraging native 5G and 6G APIs to facilitate seamless data exchange and processing. And it acts as the mediator, interpreting the needs of the vertical app and the insights of the AI app to maintain the balance between the data and the control planes. We have 10 ambitious technical ambitions, which we will progress from TRL 3, 4, and 5 to TRL 6, apart from one ambition where we aim to TRL 5. I will not go into details with this. Our work plan is we of course have project management and dissemination, commercialization and standardization activities that support and share our results and impact. And then more technical work packages and sustainability work package. And the work has started already very actively to define and specify the requirements of testbeds and use cases, and to detail KVIs and KPIs, and also in VP3 experimental network preparation, also in VP4 the AI part of trials. And then we will proceed to trials execution and KPI evaluation, and finally sustainability and circularity impact assessment. And the impact that we expect to have is when it comes to scientific impact, to generate new knowledge and insights of the capabilities of 6G technology for verticals and for advancing sustainability. As for technical impact, to demonstrate 6G vertical solutions that enhance the performance, reliability and sustainability of communication networks. Economic impact to empower businesses and vertical industries to leverage 6G technologies for sustainable and profitable growth. And societal impact, we want to raise awareness of the societal benefits of 6G technology and inspire broader adoption and investment in sustainable telecommunications infrastructure. And finally, policy impact, we will influence the development of policies and regulations that support the deployment of sustainable 6G technologies. And please go and visit our website and social media channels and be in touch